Hi everyone, this is Bramesh, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the coming week. Market has been in a heavy selling pressure. We are down almost to 17,000 to 16,200, which will open today because of gap down. And a lot of Astro events are playing. So, like I've mentioned in the earlier video also, avoid taking overnight positions. And if you really want to, take overnight positions, always be with a hedge uh, you know and like today there are important aspects ninth, so there are some important aspects which is forming between moon sun and Saturn in helio. This is a very important aspect which is getting formed. Sun square Saturn in helio. On 6th we have this important Bayes rule. The price is at the bottom and was at 16 degrees with certain degrees you know so let me quickly show you both of these. So first is this. In this I have applied the Bayes rule, Mars with 16 degrees with all zodiac. As you can see here, Mars is in 16 degree and it happened on Monday, sorry, on last Friday. So basically now today again we'll open with a huge gap down of almost 200 points. So till we are not able to move above this particular high, which is 16,500, the trend will be bearish. Or if we come and fill the gap and if we start sustaining above the low on of Friday, which was around 34,342, then we can see some up move into the market. Otherwise, the trend is really on the downside. As you can see here, last time it almost made a top here, it made a perfect bottom here. So this rule works really well. So it was kind of bottom. From there the market rallied, short-term bottom, it was kind of top. So this is a very good phenomenon for short and top formation. So till we are below Friday's low of 34 343, the market is in downside only. The trend is on downside only. Only above Friday's high we can see some up move into the market. Second thing is this thing, which is Sun square Saturn in helio. You can see here this add lot of value. See here, from there a big fall started happening into the market. After this a big up move happened. So these two aspects are very important. It leads to some good topping and bottoming out formation. And tomorrow there is double ingress. So again I would advise you to do kind of intraday only today. And tomorrow we can see a good swing into the market because tomorrow there is a double ingress between Mercury and Jupiter. So it could lead to some nice movement into the market. I'll try to make a video on that. But as of now, these two aspects, so this particular aspect is bearish in nature. The above aspect, where the bottom is formed, for that market has to sustain above the low of Friday. Then only we can see some bottoming out formation. Otherwise the trend is firmly on downside. Now let's quickly look at the patterns which are getting formed. So this is the bad pattern which is getting formed in Nifty. The first PRZ zone is, it's already trading below it. The next PRZ zone is around 16,000 to 15,950. So there is a possibility market can correct it here and then move up. And on Bank Nifty we are forming a perfect cipher pattern, where PRZ is zone is around 13,350 to 13,000 33,350 to 33,400 odd levels, which could lead to a potential reversal. Let's quickly look at the supply and demand zone also. So this is the supply and demand for Nifty. We have closed below this. So next major support as per this on a daily chart is around 15,798. And if I go to weekly, it is around 15,901. So these are the levels. If the downtrend continues and we don't move at least above around Friday's low, then there's a possibility that we can correct all the way to this point of time. And similarly, Bank Nifty, we have a strong support around 34,094, and if that gets breached, then 33,500, which is the target of the cipher pattern. And let's quickly look at the Gann angles. We are approaching the support zone here again, which is again around 33 600. So basically a lot of studies are suggesting like 33,400 to 33,600 is an important support zone for Bank Nifty. And let's quickly look at Nifty again. It says that we can see the correction. It has already broken this, close below this. The next major support is around 15,950 to 16,000 odd levels. It will keep reducing every day. So till we don't cross above this value, above Friday's high. And if we want to be in a, I mean, this downtrend has to get over, we need a close above 16,600. Then only we can see that this particular downtrend which we are into, or this particular cycle, is getting over. Now let's quickly look at the neural forecast also. So what the neural forecast is saying, this is Nifty. It says like probably we have made a bottom around 6, and from there we can see a good up move. And for Bank Nifty, it is saying, ninth should be a bottom, then a rally till this point till 11th, then a small fall, and then a big rally. So this is about neural forecast. And now let's quickly look at the levels which I'm watching out for this week. So basically, Nifty trend deciding level is 16,227, and these are the targets, resistance and support levels. And for Bank Nifty is 34,238. So what I would advise you is try to do intraday today based on the levels. Try to make positional trades from tomorrow when Jupiter and Mercury will go in ingress. I'll create a separate video for that. But as of now, the trend is on downside till we don't move, at least move over the Friday's low. Then trend is on downside, and we'll see how market reacts to the Reliance results also, because it closed exactly at the Gann trend chain level of 2621. 2620.85 was the value. So that's about it. I wish you guys all the best. Stay disciplined, trade with the right position size.